Hi all, welcome back to my vlog with me Merlyn Elizabeth in the Netherlands. Today I'm going to review the product from Philips. It is electric lint remover or clothes shaver, or you can call it lint shaver or fabric shavers as well. From what I read, this product allows you to easily and quickly remove fabric peels from all types of garments. All of your garments, whether it is your sweater or blanket or scarf, they will look like new again. So let's get started and unbox this thing. In the box you will find this fabric shaver, and it comes with a very cute color. Purple is my favorite color, and also the cover. So here you can open it up and you can see there is a shaver inside. Please be careful because it is quite sharp. And here there is a removable fill container. You can easily remove and empty the lint storage container after every use. And this unit works with AA batteries. In addition, inside the box you will find manual books, batteries, and also cleaning brush. Always be careful when you are about to remove the blades. And by the way, if you want to put the plates back, do not push it too hard. Let it a bit wobbly and then close the cover. Overall, it works and easy to use, and I'm pretty happy with this purchase. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video and see you again in another vlog. Bye!